Substitute function replaces an existing text with a new text in a text string. And meron siyang 4 arguments. Yung text, either a cell reference or yung actual text. In this case, that's A2. Yung old text, ito yung existing text doon sa text natin na gusto mong i-replace. In this case, yung 0 na nasa unahan. Yung new text is yung text na gusto mong ipalit doon sa old text. And we want to add 63. And since this is a text, enclose natin with hyphen. And then instance number, this is optional pero importante ito when using substitute. Instance number specify kung ilang occurrence ng old text yung gusto mong palitan. If omitted, every instances ng old text will be replaced. Just to show an example, ililive natin yan as blank. Click OK, and then copy natin yung formula pababa. And as you can see, yung mga phone numbers na merong multiple zeros are being replaced with +63. And we don't want that to happen. So ang gagawin lang natin dito, yung instance number will be 1. Enter, and then copy natin yung formula pababa. And there you go.